Max Facts presents 5 Secret Weapons of the US Military. Number 1. Directed Energy Weapons. Different types of Jews fire different types of energy, but the most popularized form of directed energy weapon in use today is the high-energy laser, or HEL. These Jews are just like the lasers seen in science fiction movies. They fire a soundless beam of energy, invisible at certain frequencies that can incinerate a target from hundreds of miles away. Number 2. Long-range acoustic device. Capable of projecting voice commands over a distance of 9 kilometers, a long-range acoustic device, or LRAD, inflicts grievously bodily pain upon anyone within 100 meters of its sound path. LRAD manufacturers are careful to call their products devices rather than weapons, for public relations reasons. But anyone who endured the effects of an LRAD is well aware of the differences between the truth and the spin. Number 3. Flying aircraft carriers. Recently, rumors have surfaced of DARPA's plan to reopen another chapter of America's history and initiate another attempt to develop airborne aircraft carriers for military use. This time, this proposed Sentinel of the Sky would carry drones instead of manned airplanes. Called the Gremlins program, the audacious DARPA initiative would consist of modified C-130 air transport loaded with stealthy drones capable of penetrating enemy defenses undetected. Number 4. Project Thor. Termed as rods from God, this type of kinetic energy penetrator or KEP would consist of a pair of satellites. One serves as a targeting hub and the other is equipped with 6-meter-long tungsten rods that would be dropped on the target from orbit. Capable of penetrating hundreds of feet into the Earth's crust, this thunderbolt from Thor would produce damage equivalent to a nuclear blast without the fallout. Number 5. Heart attack guns. The darts fired by soundless gun would theoretically leave a pinprick no longer than a mosquito bite, and dissolve almost instantly into the tissues of the body after delivering a payload so poisonous that the target would be almost guaranteed to have a heart attack within moments. It's unknown whether or not the heart attack gun was ever used, but for all we know, it's still actively in use today. Subscribe for more.